This gets like an unbeatable amount of likes.
What's an unbeatable? 50,000.
Oh my goodness.
That's a lot. I'm so sorry.
I love that.
Dude, there's like 20 peacocks.
Yeah. Plants stacked up together. Do another one back here.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
And we just so happen to have all these rocks right here. What is going on? No, we're not introing the video here, but we are in Miami, Florida. To the intro. What is going on, Cuffaros? Welcome back to another video. We are here in Miami, Florida, on legitimately the side of the highway. We found this little spot. We got some live shiners inside our bucket here. Look at all those beautiful shiners. And I got my fishing rod right here. Rigged it up with a little tiny J-hook. Hopefully the camera focused on that. If not, well, little hook on there. And yeah, we're gonna throw these baits out and see if we can catch a fish to start off today's video. But we are in a different location, Miami today, south of my house. Let's see if we can catch a peacock bass. I got one. Woo! Oh my gosh, he's right here already. Woo! It is not a peacock bass, but you know what it is indeed? Largemouth carpet croaker. Nice little bass. Look at that coloration. Beautiful specimen. See you later, bud. Well, that didn't go good. No fish.
No fish.
Later on in this video, we are going to scape the 1,000-gallon pond in the fish room, but we gotta fish first. I say we take these suckers to a different spot. I say so myself. Let's go. Oh my gosh, there's a rooster.
There it is. There's the rooster.
Kevin, what's up, Kev? We are at a new location. Listen, I saw a good amount of comments saying they want to see some fish and stuff, so that's what we're doing right now. I'm attempting at fishing again on this channel. Every time I go, I don't catch anything. That's why I stopped going.
Little fishy fishy.
Let's go catch a fish. Bigger fish. Oh, a baby, a little baby peacock bass. Look at that. Brendan, what's going on over there, bud?
Second.
Oh, Brendan's on! I'm gonna release this one. I'm coming, brother. Get him, bro.
Oh, it's beautiful. I have maybe 3-pound test.
Oh, there's more. There's more. There's more.
Oh my god, they're everywhere. Oh. Dude, there's like 20 peacocks. Murked it. Dude, that couldn't have went any better.
Okay, I don't know what I got there. I got one. Yeah. All right, buddy. We're gonna go catch your brothers and sisters.
All right, baby Gil.
See ya, bud. When I mean, they're like mahi-mahi, so dolphin. The one you have hooked, the others follow that to see if the one you have hooked spits anything out, and then they eat it immediately. That's why I said, Brenton, leave it in the water. I threw my bait behind it, and bam, ate.
Oh my god, we just got piped on the wall. Oh my god! Oh my god! You're on. Oh, that's what, yep.
Oh my gosh. Look how pretty that is. Beautiful little tail there. Beautiful fish.
Do that.
Brendan's on. Ooh. Brendan's got him on the Shakespeare.
Ooh. Baby Gil.
When I mean I spotted this tunnel right here from all the way at the road over there. The road is all the way over there. And I'm like, Brenton, new location. I see it.
Bro, I have no idea how big this is.
Pull and drag. Oh, it's a good fish, for sure. Oh yeah, look at that thing. Got him. Woo! Another one bites the dust. I don't know what that was. Ugh. Another one. This one's good for a pond. That's like the size of one in my pond right here. Look at these fish, bro. These are perfect for the tank. Nope. Look at that little guy.
Ah!
What happened?
He got stuck.
You're a Guggen. Well, that's it for fishing, fellas. Neighborhood Fish Farm opens up in about an hour, so we can go eat some lunch.
We'll go eat some lunch at Chick-fil-A.
It is 10 a.m. I'm hoping this fish farm has some plants. These are bigger live plants that I saw there last time, but that was like 3 years ago. So hopefully the inventory still looks like it did, and if it does, then we are gonna skip the 1,000 gallon. If not, I don't know the plan, but this is Miami for you. You've never been here, have you?
I've never been here. This is so weird.
This is one of my favorite places. This is in Miami, obviously. But this is just loaded with fish. Look how beautiful this flower horn is.
I can't really get a good like lighting on them, but I mean, look at that fish.
Beautiful. I love the long fins. Oh, that's a mirror. I was like, who's in there? There's just so many different aquariums. Like, look at this. Legitimately crazy. We're gonna see pretty much every fish you could think of. Check this out. Just walking along here, you see how Dude, those glass catfish.
Look at how weird that is.
Glass catfish, you can see literally like right through them. Oh yeah, look at the frontosas. Little frontosas. What do we got going on? Guppies, more guppies. These are so, bunch of guppies. Now this would be the place to come and just buy a boatload of guppies. By boatload, I mean a lot. Look at all those guppies right there.
Look at that. They're so pretty too.
More fancy tail. Oh! This is more up my alley right here. Oh, I almost just fell. We got a goonch catfish right there. We just unboxed those in that last video. A couple Oscars and a bigger arowana.
As you can see, the arowanas right here. Oh yeah, look at them swim out.
Oh my gosh, dude, they have a good selection of fish.
There's that bigger arowana, look at that. Tiger shoveling those back there. Oscar right there, arowana right there.
There's just so many tanks, like so many. Look how far it goes. It goes as far as the eye can see. All the way down. This is all right here, guppies, you can see. Look how many, look at that. Thousands and thousands of guppies. Continues to just guppies, guppies, guppies. Hop over here. From what I remember, I think this is like all cichlids. This has been a while. But as you can see, African cichlids over here. More African cichlids. I love that electric blue. Check this out, between the ponds is another pond. Don't see anything too crazy inside, but look at these, what?
Look at those white cichlids. I mean, they're like pearl white. Little baby cichlids.
More cichlids, cichlids, just so many. Look at this, it's endless. I am skipping rows of ponds. Ooh, lily pads. Those would be kind of nice. That'd be kind of cool to put in the 1,000 gallon. I mean, lily pads, but it's not, it's inside, so I don't think the lily pads would do too good. Now we are on the outside of the net, which this is where their predatory show tanks are. I think you can buy these. Not kidding.
No.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
No.
Look at the size. Look at that arowana. That arowana is probably 3.5 feet long, and the red tail underneath is even bigger. I mean, look at that. Look at that hybrid. That is crazy. I haven't seen these things in so long. Look at that catfish. Pretty sure that's a big iridescent. I believe that's a big iridescent. I could be wrong. These red tails, we get the hybrid. They're just so big. That arowana is like a missile. Goodness, that sun just came out and everything is lightened up. He said there's big pacu over here. Oh, there is. Hey, buddy, I have a bunch of you. Albinos, too. Look at that. And a whole lot of cichlids, but there's a pacu pond. Hey, listen, I'm coming here to get plants today. If you guys want to see me come back to this place and do a full tour, let me know in the comments. Comment down below. I will dedicate an entire video to just come here and show every single individual tank. Comment down below, smash the like button. This gets like an unbeatable amount of likes. We're gonna come back and do it.
No, we're not. Yeah, we are. What's an unbeatable? 50,000.
Oh my goodness.
That's a lot. I'm so sorry.
I love that. He goes, what's an
Bro, that 50,000 is a lot. If they do that, we're gonna buy this place.
Yeah, look at all the iridescents. These are sick. That is so dope. That would be a really cool fish to buy for the 1,000 gallon, as a matter of fact. Look at them school up. They're just schooling, like, look. I love it. We will definitely buy one of those as well, if we were to come back and do a tour video. These would be really, really great coverage here. It's an aquatic floating plant. I'm not exactly sure what the name is, but it's a lot, you'll find this in the wild, actually. Kind of where we were just fishing, you'll find this. And that stuff is super, super good. It not only provides shade, provides comfort for the fish, but it also provides filtration. It will filter your water naturally. Every single one of these, all these, every single one has a black top, has fish in it. Oh yeah, that's a perfect one. Look at that. Yeah. You got the whole root and everything.
Yep.
All right, well, fellas, that is the Amazon plant. It's super cool because these plants grow naturally on the side and then they reproduce and they keep continuing to grow. They said in the beginning, once you put them in the water, they might die, but since the root is there, they'll regrow with new ones. So they'll look pretty for a couple days, possibly die off for a little bit, but then they'll grow back again. Look how cool they are though. I mean, these are just beautiful and these are big. We needed big live plants, not the little ones, because obviously it's a bigger pond. So we're gonna buy like 6 of these right here. Although I would love to get some elephant ears, I don't have like a floating cage set up for that yet. For the elephant ears, the tops need to be out of the water. They can't be fully submerged at all. Look how pretty they are. I mean, this stuff would look really cool to have floating in like a floating basket. Might have to do that eventually. Off one of them has another like 4 growing. It's crazy how they reproduce. Look at that. That's just a stem from one of these big ones. Got another one? Oh yeah. So. And I'm thinking inside the pond we'll do a corner just full of plants. We got him ripping them out over here too. Oh, she got another one. Oh yeah.
That worked for you?
Perfect, amazing.
This was really
Look
like
how long that is. Look at all the plants growing off the side. Look at that. That is so cool. I don't know how well they'll do, but like I said, they'll probably go back eventually. They're even growing off over here too. Oh, look at that one he's getting out. Oh yeah, so much vegetation right there. That's awesome. A whole lot of plants. This is an interesting looking pleco here. I've never seen anything like this. It looks almost like a leaf. Look at that. Oh, I don't know if I got it on camera, but he's it's like he's spazzing out. Oh, this is the coolest thing ever. I gotta show you one more time. Look at that. Oh, it has leaves in here because they look like that. That's awesome. That's a really cool fish. Yeah. Oh yeah. That smells awesome. I had to snag these on the way out. I didn't want to forget about those. Again, if you guys want to check this place out, actually Neighborhood Fish Farm is what it's called because it's quite literally in a neighborhood. Here we go. Look at that. Oh yeah. We are back in the fish room and it's a couple hours later now. I have emptied out the 1,000 gallon pond, and by empty I mean lowered about 90%. So one, it'll be a massive water change. Two, I needed to have less water in order to work with this scaping project. So we have a whole lot of plants. When I mean a whole lot, I mean look at this. We could fill like a whole corner full. And it's funny because the gar is actually inside the plants right now. He was just in it before, and if I move them, he actually comes out. The hybrid's about to go under them right now. They're gonna love having this structure, and I got the big plants because this is a big pond, so the big plants will come up higher. Don't forget about these as well. We're gonna shake them out as best as we can to get all the nasty stuff. Maybe even rinse them. I'm definitely gonna rinse all of those prior to putting them into the pond here. There's our little peacock bass. We were just catching a bunch of you guys earlier. You can see them hiding behind the Oscars. What an epic video today. I mean, come on. We've done fishing, we've done shopping, tour of a fish store, and now we're at the fish room scaping the 1,000 gallon pond. If you guys are enjoying the video, please do smash a like. Let me know you're loving it. I mean, as simple as this. I'm just gonna hop on in here. I am doing this, what's new? Ha! I have no friends, all alone. So we're gonna be putting these roots into certain spots. Look at all these plants, oh my goodness. Now the thing is, this is a lot of root. I hope we have enough sand for this. There's the gar. I'm gonna put this one in that corner right there. And then we'll do in this corner a bunch of plants stacked up together. Do another one back here. And I say we do one like right in the middle, somewhere like right there. So it'll be set like this. Now all these have to go in, but I actually have to fill up the pond a tad bit more in order to put them in. Or, no I don't, I just need to get rock. And we just so happen to have all these rocks right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 that will help us weigh these plants down into the sand. And I tuck those back with the rocks, and here we are. The greenery changes this pond 100% already. Big old plants, man. That's a big plant, dude. We'll just kind of pin it with these big rocks. I know how destructive fish can be, so I have to pin these plants with rocks in order for them to stay in the spot. But I can also make a cool little cave out of these rocks while pinning the plants. See that? Now it's like a little rock wall. Okay, I'm sweating, but it looks great. So from an above view, that is all what I've got in. It looks fantastic. A bunch of different sections. We've got the rocks there, and there's finally some sort of, you know, structure. Some sort of something in here. All the fish are hiding. I'm so sorry. The water will be clear in the morning. All right, let me hop out of here. Ugh. I want to rinse some of this off as this is filling up so that I can throw it in once it's full. And this stuff will kind of be used as, like I mentioned, some filtration, a little bit of that, but more of like floating structure, if you know what I mean. So we'll throw some of that in once this is filled up. Without further ado, hose is going in. Make sure to add our Aqua Essential, and yeah, this is actually not even sponsored. I told you I use API all the time. Boom, just like that. The pond is full, and the rock that held the hose down for me is at the bottom of the pond, so. All right, it's a little deeper than I thought. I got it. Sheesh. We have a bunch of our little floating plants here. We're just gonna literally drop them right in like that. And they will float and be filtration for the pond. Just a little bit of coverage there. That way when I put minnows in here, the minnows can actually hide inside there. Oh yeah. Well, that's it for today. It's full, but it's a bit blurry, cloudy, musty. Oh. See you in the morning. Well, the water didn't clear up, so look at the gar. Oh, the gar was in there. I bet you the fish are loving it. You can see all the plants. They're down there. The water's just foggy. And I gotta get this video up. So I thought it'd be clear already, but apparently it's not. So in one of the different videos, I'll have to show it clear, of course, or just do another water change here if it doesn't clear up shortly. Hello, kids. Hey, I got you a chicken sandwich from Chick-fil-A, Lulu. Here you go. There you go. Have fun. Enjoy it. Love ya. She's gone. She's taking the corner. There she goes. I'm here, where all my kids are located. Gary. Oh, what? You're hungry. Ha, that's a miracle. Mama. Hi, Mama. There you go. Adios. Look at that, a fresh bin. Everything is full. All right, pigs, here we go. It has been raining a lot. There you go. I got baby pigs to feed, goats to feed, big pigs to feed, and a whole lot more pigs over there to feed. But I want to thank each and every one of you so much for watching today's video. I love you. Get a little bit of this to end off the video. I love ya. See you in the next one. Peace. There's the turtle we got in the last video right there. There it is. What was that noise? I don't know.